Good day, everyone. Today, some students are facing a heartbreaking reality. Going to school in fear, under the threat of bombings and violence. What should be a place of learning has turned into a place of danger. But even in the face of fear, no one can destroy our spirit. I deeply admire the courage of students, teachers, and school staff who continue their pursuit of education in such conditions. Your strength and determination show the world that learning cannot be silenced by violence. Schools should never be battlegrounds. True education is built on peace, safety, and hope. And no matter how dark the present may seem, your bravery lights the way for a brighter future. To everyone holding on through these hard times, we see you. We honor you and we believe in you. Don't lose hope, because tomorrow, you are the ones who will rebuild and lead the world forward. Thank you.